Dear friends, in this video, we look at another problem of Leelavati, a different kind of sum of bees problem, which is somewhat tricky, and we will see how to get the solution. Very interesting problem. Leelavati's more tricky swarm of bees. It's a puzzle, and let me read out this problem. The square root of half the number of bees in a swarm has flown out upon a jasmine bush. 8/9 of the whole swarm has remained behind. One female bee flies about a male that is buzzing within the lotus flower into which he was allured in the night by its sweet odor, but is now imprisoned in it. Tell me the number of bees. Very interesting problem. The square root of half the number of bees in a swarm. So let's start with this now. How to do it with an equation approach. Square root of half the number of bees. What we say is, let X be the number of bees in the swarm. Let X be the number of bees in the swarm. The square root of half the number of bees, that means X by 2 under root, square root, has flown out upon a jasmine. So root of X by 2, the entire square root, that represents this part. 8/9 of the whole swarm has remained behind. Suppose X is the number of bees, then 8/9 is 8 upon 9 X divided by 9, that is 8X by 9 is the second part. One female bee flies about a male. So one female and one male that is buzzing within a lotus flower and got allured in the night by its sweet odor, but is now imprisoned in it. Therefore, the total here is one female bee flying over a male. Therefore, 1 plus 1 is 2. So root of X by 2 plus 8X by 9 plus 2 is equal to X. Now, you simplify this. This will be root of X by 2 plus 2 equal to X minus 8X upon 9, which is equal to X by 9. So now from this, how do we obtain the second one? You go through. So I multiply the left-hand side by 9 and then see what happens. 9 times root of X by 2 plus 9 into 2 is equal to 18. So 9 times root of X by 2 plus 18 equal to X, Okay. This is what it is, because when I multiply by 9, this X by 9 will become X. Now, bring this 18 to the other side, it will become X minus 18, and then square both sides. 9 will become 81. Root of X by 2 will become 81 into X by 2 is equal to X minus 18 whole square. Now, the next step. 81X is therefore equal to 2 times X minus 18 whole square. When I expand X minus 18 whole square, it will be X square minus 36X plus 324. Since there is a 2 outside, I multiply. This will become 2X squared minus 72X plus 648. This is the beauty of this. Now, bring this 81 to the other side and make it an equation. One side becomes 0. You get 2X squared minus 153X, because 81 comes to this side, it will become 8 minus 81, Add this 72, it becomes 153x minus 153x plus 648 equal to 0. Now, we can factorize this 153 as 144 and 9 because 2 into 648 is 1296. So 144 into 9 is 1296. And therefore, what I do is I factorize this. This is 144x minus 9x. And then I write this expression as 2x into x minus 72 minus 9 into x minus 72 equal to 0. So x minus 72 equal to 0 or 2x minus 9 equal to 0. So either x is equal to 72 or x is equal to 4.5. Since b's have to be integer, x is equal to x 72 is the answer. We have solved the problem. And let me just put here one part that I write it here. For example, let x equal to, so that it's clear, let x equal to number of b's to make things a little better, and x is equal to number of b's. When I put, I think you can read it out now. Number of b's is x, so all these equations follow. I just thought I should clarify this. I assumed all of us are fairly familiar, but I make it clear to you now. X is the number of b's, and these are the sets of equation steps in an algorithmic manner. We got the answer, a magnificent problem from Bhaskaracharya's quiz to Leelavati, a puzzle. Thank you very much. The answer is therefore x is equal to 72. We will see you soon in another video. Thanks a lot.